So in the chemical kinetics, now we are taking topic the factors affecting the rate of reaction, and in that topic we are first taking catalyst, how catalyst affects the rate of reaction. So I am your chemistry teacher Dr. Rakhi Goyal, so wants to explain you the topic. Now effect of catalyst. What is a catalyst? Number one, at first just explain try to understand the definition of a catalyst. वैसे हम पढ़ते आए हैं पहले भी, but right now a catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of a reaction, जो किसी भी reaction के rate को increase करेंगे, but the condition is without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. That means catalyst में कोई भी change नहीं होगा. If we are taking an example, potassium chlorate 2KClO3, okay, when it is heated in presence of MnO2, then it will turn into KCl and liberates oxygen. Okay, so here MnO2 is a catalyst and it will increase the amount of oxygen. Okay, the word catalyst should not be used when the added substance reduces the rate of reaction. Actually, there are two types of catalyst. Number one, first type of catalyst which enhance the rate of reaction, but the another type of catalyst which reduce the rate of reaction. So the substance which reduce the rate of reaction, that substance is then called inhibitor. Okay, now the action of the catalyst can be explained by intermediate complex theory. What is the theory? Further in further slides we will explain you. Sorry. According to this theory, a catalyst participates in a chemical reaction by forming temporary bonds with the reactants. That means MnO2 binding with KClO3 but temporarily. Then it will form an intermediate complex. What is an intermediate complex? The complex in which some bonds are breaking and some new bonds are forming. So this has a transitory existence and decomposes to yield product and the catalyst. That means at first, in the first step, KClO3 binds with catalyst MnO2. Now some bonds are making, some bonds are forming. Then this stage is called as intermediate complex. Now it is a transition state. Then this transition state decomposes. Then that means it will break into product and catalyst will remain as it is. Students, by this experiment you can get better understanding. Students, so to understand this concept very well, that how catalyst affect the rate of reaction, so let me do it an experiment. Okay, so this is the experiment of the effect of catalyst on the rate of chemical reaction. So first, for the purpose, we want to explain the increase the decomposition of H2O2. So carry out the following experiment. Measure 25 ml of H2O2 by a graduated cylinder. You can see here. Now place this amount of H2O2 in a clean conical flask. So we are adding the H2O2 in the first flask. Now same volume add in the second conical flask. Now add some black powder of MnO2, that is manganese dioxide, in the first flask. Why we are adding only in the first flask? Actually in the second flask, the H2O2 is going in the self decomposition and liberating oxygen. But to increase the amount of O2, we are adding some MnO2. So the reaction gets faster in the first conical flask. That means catalyst affects the rate of reaction. How it affects? It increases the rate of reaction. So you can. So the students, now I think you will get better understanding by this. So what is the activation energy? The minimum excess energy which must be supplied to the reactant. जब तक वो reactant को नहीं मिलेगी तब तक वो अपने प्रोडक्ट में चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके, एंड अनदर टर्म इज which is coming in the chapter, that is threshold energy, the minimum amount of energy. What is the difference between threshold and activation? We are using the minimum access energy for the activation energy, but we are using the term minimum amount of energy for the threshold energy, which is required to overcome this energy barrier is called threshold energy. Okay, that means यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए जो एनर्जी आपने उसे दी वो थी उसकी एक्टिवेशन, और इस बैरियर को पार करने के लिए जो मिनिमम एनर्जी चाहिए उसे, दैट इज थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी. सो यू कैन गेट हियर द कैटलिस्ट प्रोवाइड्स, हाउ कैटलिस्ट वर्किंग. द कैटलिस्ट प्रोवाइड्स एन alternate pathway. What is the alternate pathway? Students, see here. This is the original graph for the reaction. Here it is reactant. Now it is moving by getting energy to this path. Okay, now here at this top reactant and catalyst, they will form a complex, that is intermediate complex. Okay, so you can see the intermediate complex has highest amount of energy, maximum energy has. Okay, now अगर उसे यहां से यहां तक एनर्जी मिलेगी तभी वो कहां जाके कन्वर्ट होगा, प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ कैटलिस्ट? कैटलिस्ट इस पाथ को चेंज कर देता है. अब ये रिएक्शन इस पाथ से नहीं जाएगी, ये रिएक्शन कहां से जाएगी, इस पाथ से होकर जाएगी. सो पहले एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी कितनी थी, पहले एनर्जी एक्टिवेशन इतनी थी, यानी कि इस रिएक्टेंट की एनर्जी, खुद की जो एनर्जी थी से यहां तक पहुंचने के लिए जो उसे एनर्जी चाहिए थी. और अब ये देखिए पाथ जो है छोटा हो गया है, तो ये एनर्जी ऑफ एक्टिवेशन भी क्या हो गया है, कम हो गया है. दैट मीन्स कैटलिस्ट क्या करता है, कैटलिस्ट reduces the activation energy between reactant and product and hence lowering the potential energy barrier. Okay, you can get understand by this. अभी आपको पास होने के लिए अगर 33 मार्क्स चाहिए, ओके, और मैंने इसे रिड्यूस करके अचानक से कर दिया 20, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे पास होंगे, यानी कि एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिएक्टेंट जाके प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा. ओके, तो कैटलिस्ट ने यदि एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी को कम कर दिया तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. लोअर द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, फास्टर विल बी द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. हायर द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी, लोअर विल बी द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. नाउ a catalyst does not alter Gibbs energy. Please keep it in your mind. It is very important point. Multiple choice questions के लिए सबसे important है. Catalyst does not alter Gibbs energy, delta G of a reaction. You know, if delta Z is negative, then reaction will be spontaneous in nature. It catalyzes the spontaneous reaction but does not catalyze non-spontaneous reaction. That means catalyst will not work for those types of reaction which are having del Z positive. It is also found that a catalyst does not change the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant को change नहीं करता. It helps in attaining the equilibrium faster. पर ये equilibrium को faster establish होने में help करेगा. It catalyzes the forward as well as backward reaction to the same extent so that the equilibrium state remain same, but it is reached